Hi everyone, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. The end of October 2019, I got to go visit Pioneer Ridge Nature Center. My trip was hosted by the Greater Ottumwa Convention and Visitors Bureau. Come on along while I find out more about Pioneer Ridge Nature Center. Our afternoon adventures today is at Pioneer Ridge Nature Center. We're going to a park! Pioneer Ridge is run by the Wapello County Conservation Board. This two-story nature center provides programs for youth and adults to learn more about nature. They even have live, native to the area, animals on display. We were partial to this turtle.
It's unique. Wapello County established itself by the vote of the people of Wapello County in 1977. These cabins were put up around 2007, 2009. Did one, did another one, then did the camping ones. Actually, I had to book them for today because usually they've got deer hunters in them this time of the year. We have a guy chomping at the bit to get here and get in the next day because he's coming from New York.
Oh, so wow, yeah.
We have them come in from all over the bow hunt in the area. This time of the year. They're popular the rest of the year. Graduation parties. A lot of times weddings. They'll have their wedding in the hay barn and then they'll have the bridal party in here. Spend the night, have family get together, anniversaries, and then family getaways. So.
Special thanks to Rick for reserving a cabin for us this day so that we could see it. This is one of two modern cabins at the nature area, and they are four-season cabins, and they have geothermal heating and cooling.
Do it on their own.
Nice bathroom area.
Cabin, and then stay and do the horse riding, or a lot of them just pull in with their trailer and drive for the day and with the horses when you first come into the trailer parking lot to the right.
These modern cabins sleep 6 people and rent for $85 a night. There are also some camping cabins that rent for $45 a night. To find out more about reserving these cabins, please go to conservation.wapellocounty.org. The Hay Barn Shelter has approximately 17 picnic tables, a large charcoal grill, and room for plenty of family and friends. Rent for the Hay Barn Shelter is $85 a day. There are over 12 miles of multi-use trails at Pioneer Ridge Nature Area. A half mile is a paved handicap trail. There are also 4 fishing ponds and a bird observation blind. So around the park, I've noticed that they have these quotes, and I thought those are really cool. And they're different ones. Really like them. This natural area here in Iowa is one that I will certainly have to get back to and explore more. Till next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.